Hello. I'm gonna give you guys a little life update. I am in Utah. I have a lot to do today. My room is a terrible mess right now. I have a clothing pile there. It's huge. I don't even want to look at it. I have to do laundry, well, full laundry. I don't want to do any of that, but I have to do it. I probably have like ADHD because I always like have so many things and projects going on, and then they always end up half finished or half done. So I need to like really focus one thing at a time. I'm gonna be cleaning. It is Saturday. I need to get stuff done and get my life in order. Yeah. I got quite a mess in my kitchen. It is so messy. I'll clean this up. Got packages everywhere. Doing too much, but we're gonna clean this up. Okay. This is kind of heavy. I don't know how I'm gonna put this upstairs, but I'm gonna have to. Heavy. Really? Someone out. I'm done. Bought some camping chairs. Man, it is so dark in here. Just like this common color. Got it from Target for less than $10. It's a cute color. Show you guys. It's pretty small. I guess they're cast away. I'm gonna be unboxing some of the stuff and try to put stuff together. That way I can get this like set up here because I am very impatient and I want to get things done. Okay, so I bought this really cool light tripod. I like it because it was very 70s and it's kind of the vibe that I really into. And old vintage light. It was kind of costly. It was $169 or no, $139. And worth every penny. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. As you can see, it's pretty bright, which is pretty nice. I just put a normal light bulb in it. And it's just really cool looking. Going to show you guys this little chair that I bought. It's really cute. It's like a lounge chair. And the color is great. It's like a little yellowy, like beige color, which is pretty nice. Love it. Ooh, man, they really packed that thing. Okay, anywho, assembly instructions, my favorite. Okay, it has visual images, which is perfect for me. So this is what it looks like so far. And then I think I just have one more piece to put on. Ta-da! It's all done, you guys. I'm gonna show you guys a couple of things that I ordered on Amazon. I have one item from Walmart, and then stuff that I'm gonna be kind of just decorating in my little studio area corner. So got this from Walmart. It is so cute. The little succulent little bowl. It's so cute. And I really wanted to like bring out like the fun colors in my dull like 70s style vibe over here. I just want it to be like color popping, and this would be perfect for that. And then from Amazon I got this light. I thought this was, why does it look blurry? And it shines really bright, and I just think it would give a little like a really cool ambiance in my background. And then this is really cool. I like this. And then I also got some like techie stuff for my like feature podcast that I'm going to be starting. It is the Rodecaster, so I'm really excited to play with that. And I got my microphone. I got probably one of the expensive microphones. This is so cute. Oh, I like it. Does it look super fake? Looks like it's gonna be so cute once I hang that up. And it comes with these little hooks. That's adorable. And then I like that they're all different. Like they're not all the same like type of plants. I also got this. This is really cute. I want to show you guys. I really wrap this up. I'm just gonna like grab it, you guys. Come on. Oh, I love that. It's such a hippie thing to buy. I'm a hippie girl at heart. But this is so cute. Oh, it's green. I thought it was black. I swear, I thought they were black, but they're green. But you know what? I'm not upset about that. I think that's actually kind of cute. Oh, let me see the radio. Oh, this is the part that I'm so excited about because I love vintage radios. I mean, it's not actually vintage, but it looks vintage. Same thing, right? Wow, look at that. Ooh, you guys, I'm so excited. I was so upset because I bought like a vintage radio, like a alarm clock type of radio, and that did not end up working. I was so upset because I got really excited when I bought it. I bought it for like $5, and I was really like, I really thought it was gonna work. And I plugged it in, and I was so disappointed. Here we go. Look at that. This is so cute. This is the coolest thing ever. I am obsessed. Okay. The dial. This is so cool. Okay, I plugged it in. I'm gonna try to turn it on here. Okay, I will say that radio works really well. It actually sounds really good. Not bad for a $37 radio. Pretty cool. Anywho, I'm gonna end this video now. I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.